Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Tom, you look worried. What happened?
Ashley, I have a problem. A big problem.
Okay, tell me. What is it?
I went outside and I forgot my key.
You forgot your key? Oh no.
Yes, I closed the door. Now the key is inside.
Oh, you locked yourself out.
Yes, I locked myself out. And it gets worse.
Worse? What do you mean?
My phone is also inside.
No key and no phone?
Exactly. I can't open the door. I can't call anyone.
What about your roommate?
He will come back tonight. Very late.
So you can't go in until tonight.
Yes. What should I do?
Well, you have one free day now.
Free day? I feel nervous. No phone, no key.
Don't worry. Maybe this is a good thing.
A good thing? Really?
Yes, you can try one day without a phone.
One day without a phone? That sounds scary.
It can be fun. We can go out, we can see things.
Go out? Where can we go?
Let's start with the library.
The library? Okay, but how can we go?
We can take the bus.
The bus? But I need Uber. I need my phone.
Not today. Today we use the bus.
Okay, let's try. No phone, no key, just the bus.
Here we are. This is the bus stop for the library.
The bus stop for the library?
Yes, we wait here for the bus.
Okay, we wait here.
Look, the bus is coming now.
Good. I was getting nervous
Why nervous?
because without my phone, I don't know the time.
Yes, no phone means no clock.
Right. I usually check the bus time on my phone.
Today you learn another way.
Another way.
Yes, just look at the bus stop sign.
Look at the bus stop sign. Okay.
Now, let's get on the bus.
All right. Let's get on.
Say, 1 ticket to the library, please.
1 ticket to the library, please.
Perfect. Now take the ticket.
Got it. 1 ticket to the library.
Good. Now, where should we sit?
Here or near the window?
I like the window seat.
Okay. Let's sit near the window.
Great. Sit down.
All right. Wow. It feels strange
Strange? Why?
because everyone is on the phone, but I have no phone.
Yes, many people just look at their phones.
I feel a little nervous. What should I do?
Look outside.
Look outside?
Yes, look at the trees, the buildings.
Okay. Oh, nice view.
Better than a small screen, right?
Yes, better than a small screen.
See, without a phone, you can see the world.
See the world. I like that.
And you can also talk to me.
Yes, talk to you, not the phone.
Remember, we get off at the library stop.
We get off at the library stop, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, the library stop. Don't let me miss it.
Don't worry. I will tell you.
Good. Without my phone, I feel lost, but also free.
Lost and free. That's interesting.
Yes, it's new for me, but maybe it's good.
You're learning something today.
Yes, one day without a phone, it's not so bad.
Here we are. This is the library.
Wow, it's big and very quiet.
Yes, it's a quiet place for reading and studying.
Reading and studying. No noise?
Right. No noise. People come here to focus.
Focus? You mean to pay attention?
Exactly. To pay attention and learn.
Okay. I will try to focus too.
Good. Let's go inside.
All right. Inside the library.
Look, so many books on the shelves.
Yes, so many. I don't know where to start.
Let's find something about cooking.
Cooking? In the library?
Yes, there are books for everything.
Everything? You mean also cooking?
Yes, cooking, travel, history, everything.
Wow, not only novels. That's new for me.
Here, let me take one book down.
Okay. One book about cooking.
Let's sit here by the window.
Nice table. The sunlight is warm.
Yes, it feels comfortable.
Comfortable. You mean good and easy?
Exactly. Good and easy.
All right. I like this comfortable place.
Now, look at this page. It explains a recipe.
Recipe. That's a plan for food, right?
Yes, a plan for food. A recipe.
Okay. I want to read the recipe slowly. Ashley, this is nice. I can read without my phone.
See, books can give full information.
Full information? Not just small pieces?
Right, not small pieces. Full and clear.
I feel calm. Very calm.
Yes, the library makes you calm.
Now, I enjoy reading. I really enjoy it.
That's great, Tom. You see the difference now.
Yes, I see it. No phone, just books.
Exactly. No phone, just books. We read a lot, Tom. Do your eyes feel tired?
Yes, a little tired.
Then let's rest our eyes.
Rest our eyes? You mean stop reading?
Exactly. Let's go outside.
Outside? Where?
The beach. We can look far at the sea.
The sea. That sounds good.
Yes, the sea will relax you.
Okay. Let's go to the beach.
Here we are, Tom. This is the beach.
Wow.
The sea is so big.
Yes, it's wide and open.
Wide and open. I like that.
Look at the waves. They never stop.
The waves never stop. Always moving.
Right. The sea is alive.
Alive? You mean it never sleeps?
Exactly. It never sleeps.
It feels new to me. I usually just see pictures on my phone.
Now you see it with your eyes, not a screen.
Yes, with my eyes, not a screen.
Let's sit here on the sand.
Okay. The sand is soft.
Soft and warm.
Yes, soft and warm.
Take off your shoes. Feel it better.
All right. Wow, it feels good.
See? No phone, just the sea and the sand.
No phone, just the sea and the sand.
Look at those people. They take photos.
Yes, many photos with their phones.
But we don't need that.
We don't? Why not?
Because we remember with our hearts.
Remember with our hearts, not with photos.
Exactly. A memory is better than a picture.
Maybe you're right.
The sun is going down now.
The colors are beautiful.
Yes, orange and pink in the sky.
Orange and pink. I like it.
Listen to the sound of the waves.
It's calm. Very calm.
Do you feel relaxed now?
Yes, very relaxed. I don't miss my phone.
That's great. You see, one day without a phone is possible.
Yes, possible and peaceful.
Peaceful is the right word.
I feel free. Really free.
Free and happy.
Yes, free and happy.
Let's enjoy this moment.
Yes, let's enjoy this moment.
The sun is going down, Tom.
Yes, the sky is orange now.
It's evening. Do you want to do something else?
Something else? Like what?
Let's go to the cinema.
The cinema? A big screen movie?
Yes, a big screen, not a small phone.
That's different. That sounds exciting.
Great. Let's go see a movie.
Okay. Let's go to the cinema.
Here we are, Tom. This is the cinema.
It looks big, with many lights inside.
Yes, this area is called the lobby.
Lobby? Do you mean the entrance hall?
Exactly. The place before the theater.
Oh, so many movie posters on the wall.
Yes, posters show what movies are playing.
Playing? You mean showing now or soon?
Right, showing now or very soon.
And you already got 2 tickets for us?
Yes, 2 tickets. We are ready to go. Okay, let's go inside and find our seats.
It's dark here, even before the movie starts.
Yes, it's always dark for the big screen.
Wow,
There are so many seats inside.
Ours are in row 6, in the middle.
Row 6, in the middle. That sounds good.
Sit here. We can see the screen clearly.
Good view? You mean a clear picture?
Yes, a very clear picture from this spot.
Wow, the screen looks really huge.
Much bigger than a phone or a TV.
Yes, I feel small under the big screen.
Look, Tom, the movie is starting now.
Oh, the sound is so loud and strong.
Yes, it feels like you are inside the story.
Loud and strong, not like my little phone.
Right, a phone is too small and weak.
The picture is bright. I see every detail.
Yes, the big screen is very clear.
This is exciting. I really enjoy it.
Good, you enjoy the cinema now.
Yes, more than watching on my phone.
See, a cinema is a special experience.
Yes, special and amazing. I like it.
Let's sit back and enjoy the story.
Yes, let's enjoy it together.
The movie is finished, Tom. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot. The big screen was amazing.
I'm glad you liked it.
Now we are walking home. The city looks different at night.
Yes, the street lights make everything soft and warm.
And the tall buildings are full of lights.
The city feels alive, even at night.
It feels calm to walk without a phone.
Yes, you can see more when your hands are free.
I saw more today, and I thought more too.
Like what?
Like, life can be full without a phone.
That's a very good thought.
I was nervous this morning, but now I feel calm.
So your day changed step by step.
Yes, the library, the beach, the cinema, all without a phone.
And you did well. One whole day without it.
Yes, and I feel proud.
You should be proud. You learned a lot.
Learned a lot? You mean like English?
Exactly. You practiced English in real situations.
In the bus, in the library, on the beach, and in the cinema.
Yes, 4 places, 4 experiences.
And I repeated new words again and again.
Right. Repeating makes the words strong.
I feel more confident now.
Good. Confidence is the best gift from today.
Less phone, more learning. I like that.